It's going to make it so much easier so it won't be squirming. Okay.
I'll do it.
I know, I just want to get it. Oh wait, no, it's still alive a little bit.
Gotta do
I'll film this because it's easier for you. Oh, it's gonna get all bloody, and then the dirt. Literally, worms eat dirt, so this is sad. I know, I am used to it. I'm just saying it's kind of sad. Here, I'll feed it.
Here, I'll hold it. While you feed it.
It's kind of late, so he might not eat that much. He might not eat at all, actually. I don't know. It's just he was. Oh my god. Oh yes, he is indeed. Sorry, I was trying to see if the video. Oh, I dropped it. Okay, I was trying to see if the video is going to show it up. It's going to show up in the video. Okay. Did he get in it? Oh my god, his mouth is dirty again. You know what? I'm wiping your mouth right now. Come here. I don't care if you're still putting that down your throat. Oh, sorry. I got some in his eye. Some water in his eye. Sorry. No, not even close. He hasn't eaten in a while. Because he was sleeping. But then we woke him up. What is he doing? Went him? You still swallowing?
Do you think he's choking?
No, he's not.
I think he's full.